COVID-19 outbreak has led to staffing shortages at Durham's 911 call center. It's a story CBS 17 first told you about last month. Now a longtime Durham firefighter is talking only with CBS 17 about what that shortage has meant for response times. Our Amy Cutler taking those concerns to city leaders. She's live in Durham with what both sides have to say. Amy.
Yeah, Angela, city leaders tell me that this is an ongoing issue, one that they are trying to address. And that's why some 911 calls that would go to the Durham call center are going to Raleigh's 911 center. But that's creating problems of its own.
It's concerning to us. It should be concerning to them.
You dial 911 in emergencies when seconds count. But in Durham County, that call could go to Raleigh Center. That's because COVID has led to staffing shortages.
Well, we know it's not seamless.
Jimmy Wright has been a Durham firefighter for 21 years. He's now the president of the Firefighters Association. Over the last month, he tells me he's heard from several members, firefighters responding to wrong addresses or having incomplete information.
Our dispatchers don't have any connection with whoever's calling, which means they can't figure out the address.
Wright showed me emails he sent to city leaders asking that issues be addressed. They responded with information, but not solutions. I took those concerns to Bo Ferguson, the deputy city manager.
We are returning staff on a rolling basis. Some staff have already returned this week.
He acknowledges the staffing issues and tells me firefighters and police are stepping up to help with dispatching calls. He says only 11% of all calls are being answered in Raleigh.
We crunch a lot of numbers to come up with our response time, and I honestly think we should do more research before we agree to any conclusions that response times have changed at all.
But Wright tells me staffing is an ongoing problem and that response times for fire calls keep going up. According to the National Fire Protection Association standards, 90% of calls are supposed to be processed in 64 seconds or less. In Durham, he says, less than 18% of fire calls are handled in that time. Now, the deputy city manager couldn't tell me how many openings the call center currently has or how many employees are out with COVID. He said that information is just not something that the city gives out. He also couldn't tell me how much longer they would require the help of Raleigh's call center. We're going to stay on top of this for you. For now, we are live in Durham. Amy Cutler, CBS 17 News.
Amy, thank you.